Hi everyone, you want to create blogs like these in seconds with the graphics? You got it. Okay, this is my new blog site, which you will have seen in my previous video. I'll link it down below, how I created it using AI. And now we're going to use AI to create the first sets of blogs. How easy can it be? Let's have a look. Let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to use Gemini for this. And if you are interested in how Gemini works and how it differs with ChatGPT, etc., then have a look at this video here. We're using Gemini, of course, because it has a direct link with YouTube. And obviously, that's what we want to take the videos from so that we can make the blogs. Okay, so over in YouTube, what I want to do is find a video that I want to write a blog about. So the AI for over 40s, that's gone well. So I go in and I click the link. So I've got a copy of it. And then, of course, jump into Gemini and I need a prompt. Please look at this video and then write me a blog. Put the video in, copy and paste, and away we go. Gemini does its work. Do like the way Gemini does its work. And there we go. There you go. A blog about AI for the over 40s, taken from my video, put it into a blog format. Tells me about learning new things, additional tips, conclusion, etc. Beautiful. And then gives me some links to both my site and some other sites where people can find out information about AI for the over 40s. Really nice, really easy, just seconds. Okay, that's a great response. So I want to share it. I want to first of all save it to Google Docs. So just click on the share, export to Google Docs, and it creates a document. And I can open that document. Let's just have a look, make sure it's got there, and there we go. We've got our blog in Google Docs. How cool is that? We're seconds in, and we've already got our blog. Next thing is I want a nice picture to go with my blog to liven it up a bit. So create me a suitable image for this blog. Let's see whether Gemini can do that. No, it's not something it's able to do yet. This is the free version, so we're going to have to try something else. Let's try ChatGPT. So let's see if ChatGPT can do what Gemini did. I guess that's the interesting thing. So please watch this video and then write me a blog. And I'll put the same link in as I did before. So it's the same thing that I asked Gemini. And let's see if it can do it. Okay, ChatGPT is searching the web, unable to access the YouTube video directly. So ChatGPT can't do that bit. So I have obviously created the blog in Gemini. So let's see if I can get ChatGPT to just do me the graphic that I want for this blog. So create me an image, and what I've done is I've copied and pasted the whole blog from the Google Docs document, and I'm going to just paste it in and see if it can produce me a picture. There we go. And let's see what dall-e can produce for my picture. And there we go. Gives you a sort of over 40s person using AI. I'm not overly keen on this sort of style, so I'm going to ask it if it can make it photorealistic for me. And I obviously want it in in the sort of 6:9 format because the square format won't really work for the blog. So let's see if it can do that. It's working, and there we go. That's better. So the picture's a bit more photorealistic, and it's in 6:9 format. Fantastic. Okay, let's add the two things together. We've used ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, let's jump into my blog on Wix. And if you haven't seen that video, I will put a link up above if you want to know how I created this. And obviously, the first thing we need to do is create a new post. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to create myself a catchy title. And then from my Google Docs, just take the information from there, just paste it all in. There we go. AI probably needs a little bit of just tidying up, I think. Might just go through and change some of the spacing. Of course, remember this has been produced by AI, so you will want to go through and check it, make sure that anything it said makes sense. I've obviously generated this from my own video, so I know what's in it, but if you were generating this blog from somebody else's video or another piece of content, then you need to absolutely check that the AI has got it right. So I've just gone through and changed some of the formatting so it looks a bit better. Next thing we need to do, I guess, is to put our picture in. Okay, so we go to top left and say add, and we want to add an image. Okay, so we just go into upload media, and then we drag our picture and it will upload. It's uploading that dall-e file, and there it is. And then we can insert that video in our document. And there it is. Let's see where it is, and there you go. It's already there. It's obviously not been seen by anybody yet, but it's really ready to go. Fantastic. We've got everything open, so let's do another one. We've done the AI for over 40s. Let's have a look at another video that I might want to do. Let's do the learn, don't cheat, the one for students. Okay, so just copy and paste, jump into Gemini, set the prompt up again. Thank you, that's great. This is the last one. Please watch this video and create a blog, and just paste it. Number 2, here we go. I do like the interface for Gemini. There you go, and there we have the blog about using ChatGPT as a study tool. So hopefully this is going to push people towards looking at my video channel, but also help encourage a conversation around the things that I'm writing about and making videos about. So once again, we're going to save it to a Google Doc. Created the document. Can go and have a look at it, and there we are. I like the spacing's a bit better this time. Sets out the blog in a sensible way, and once again has some links there, including my channel and some OpenAI's ChatGPT website with an invalid URL. I wonder if it doesn't allow Gemini to have access to that URL. I can cut those out. There we go. And just press delete. And then the comment from Gemini. So I'm just going to copy that and pop it into ChatGPT so that we can get a picture. So as I did last time, create an image. So I've run out of room on my free. Always a bit of a problem with the free ChatGPTs, that you can run out of the amount of prompts you're able to do, which is a bit frustrating. So I've gone into my paid version. Give me a suitable 6:9 photorealistic image, and I will paste in the whole blog as was produced by Gemini. There we go, and let's see what we get. I'm getting better. I now know it's 16:9 or 6:9. I know that I want it portrait. I know that I want it photorealistic. So I'm getting better at not having to ask ChatGPT to do things twice. And there we go, a nice picture of a student, which is part GPT and part student. That'll do me. So I can save that, and I just go into my blog and then jump onto the dashboard. It's coming up. Go to blogs, create a new post. Simple. Put my catchy title in. Use ChatGPT to study, not cheat. And then just cut and paste from my Google Doc, just on my other browser. I'm having to have multiple browsers open. So just copy that and just paste it in. And there we go. Needs a bit of faffing with, but within a few seconds I've got a blog ready to go. And then the next thing is to add the image that I created in ChatGPT. So go to add again, download it. There we go. That's where it is. Add image, upload media, drag my picture in, uploading it. There we go. And just click add to page. There we go. It's in there, and we can either preview it or just publish. There it is, my second. So I've now got 3 there. I can edit it. I can go back to the dashboard and have a look at it, do different things, mess around with it, move the picture around, etc. Want it at the top. I can preview it. If I make changes, it tells me it's unpublished. The changes are unpublished, and there we go. It's as easy as that. So there we go. We've created 2 blogs. We downloaded information from YouTube using Gemini, and we created a blog from that. And then we took that blog that had been created, put it into ChatGPT, and created the images that you see behind me so that the blogs have those images. Really interesting, really quick. You obviously can use your own YouTube videos for creating the blogs, or of course, you could use other people's videos, you could use documents, etc. But remember, it's your voice that's going out there. So you need to be sure that it's what you want to say and that you're happy with it before it goes out onto your blog site. All right, I hope you've learned something. If you have, please give me a like, please subscribe and ring the bell, and then you'll find out about future videos. Now you know how to make blogs and how to do them really quickly. Watch this video and you'll find out how to make the blogging website in just 10 minutes. Best of luck. Catch you soon. I've been the Professor. Bye-bye.